So in this video, we will discuss for exercise 11. So for question number 1, the graph of a function of fx is illustrated below. Use the transformation technique to graph the following function separately. So means that you have to, this is the graph for the function of fx. So graph ni adalah fungsi fx. So you jangan risau fx ni bentuk dia macam mana. So this is the graph. This is the graph for the function of fx. So let's look at question A. Fx plus 1. So this is x plus 1. It is different for fx plus 1. Ada beza dia. This is the whole fx, fungsi fx ni, satu ni, tambah 1. Maksudnya for this one, it will move out for 1 unit. It's different. Satu fungsi fx ni tambah 1. Dia akan move out for 1 unit. This one is only x plus 1. So in order to find this one, we let x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, x is equals to negative 1. Negative 1 means that is left because it's negative. So means that for this one, the graph will move to the left for 1 unit. So dia akan bergerak ke kiri sebanyak 1 unit. Sebab ini x saja yang tambah dengan 1, bukan fx satu fungsi ni tambah dengan 1, beza So you have to know the difference. Fx plus 1 and f in the bracket x plus 1. Ini beza dia. So I erase this one. So since this is fx move to the left for 1 unit, let's say here is y axis. Here is the x axis. Move to the left for 1 unit. So before this one is 0. Sebelum ni kosong. Sekarang dia gerak ke kiri sebanyak 1 unit. Dia akan dapat di negative 1 lah. So we just sketch. Let's say I extend for this part. So we sketch this graph. Dia akan jadi lebih kurang macam ni. So this one before is negative 2. Dia bergerak ke kiri sebanyak 1 unit. It will become, so this one will become negative 3. Against this one negative 4, gerak ke kiri, dia akan jadi negative 5. And the value of y ni tetap sama lah sebab dia bergerak ke kiri bukan atas atau bawah. This one still is 2. So this is the answer for question number A. Question A. Now we look at question B. B is negative 2 minus fx. This one I can write in the form of, saya boleh tulis dalam bentuk negative fx minus 2. Sama saja. Negative fx minus 2. Means that first, we have to sketch the graph for negative fx. Next, baru kita sketch negative fx minus 2. So if negative fx, negatif ni maksudnya reflects on x-axis, pantul pada paksi x. Whereas after we reflect and then minus 2. Minus 2 the whole function yang dah reflect punya function, minus 2 means that move down for 2 units. Lepas dia reflect, dia turun ke bawah 2 unit. So macam mana kita nak reflect? Paling senang saja reflect adalah kita pantul pada paksi x. Yang saya tulis merah ni adalah kita pantul kat sini lah. Macam mana kita nak tahu? Kita just lipat saja ketah kita ni. Macam lipat You fold this one on the x-axis. So jika you lipat, sepatutnya graf kita jadi bentuk macam ni. Bila you lipat so dia akan turun ke bawah lah. So the reflects on x-axis, therefore the graph will be this one. So reflects on x-axis, this is y-axis, x-axis. So our graph will look like this, reflects on x-axis. So this one still, oh, sorry for this one. Here is still 0. Sini masih kosong. Let's say 0 I put here. And then here is still negative 2. Here is still negative 4. The difference here is this one lah. Sebelum ni dia positif 2. Bila pantul ke bawah, now will become negative 2. So this one. So this is the first part. And then move down for 2 unit. Kemudian dia bergerak ke bawah sebanyak 2 unit. So next, this is Y. This is X. Here before this is 0. Now we move down for 2 unit. Dia akan bergerak ke bawah sebanyak 2 unit. So let's say here is 2 unit. Dia akan jadi macam ni lah. So before this is 0. Sekarang dia bergerak ke bawah 2 unit. 1. Dia gerak macam ni lah. Sorry. Dia bergerak 2 unit. 1, 2. So now will become here is negative 2. Kosong ni. Same as this point. Dia bergerak 2 unit. 1, 2. Sekarang dia jadi negative 4 lah. So here will become negative 4. This one masih sama lagi. This point is negative 2. And then this point is negative 4. So the safest, paling selamat lah. You just label this one. So means at this point we label as negative 4, comma, negative 2. And then this point is negative 2 and negative 4. Yang ni tak payah label lah. This one, this point. So paling selamat, kita label balik. Negative 4, negative 2. So this is negative 2 and negative 4. So this is the answer for the B. So first we reflect and then we move down for 2 unit. Dia akan bergerak secara keseluruhan. Secara keseluruhan bergerak ke bawah sebanyak 2 unit.